As technology advances, so does the threat landscape. New threats are coming up with each passing second, and the attack surface continues to expand. My name is Dorcas Akintade, and I welcome you back to the Power Hour. One of my mentors never fails to remind me that change is the seed from which transformation grows. I received an avalanche of questions yesterday which got my brain reeling. So today, let's look at how you can grow as a cybersecurity professional in response to emerging threats. The first strategy I want us to look at and understand is the fact that AI and ML is being used to enhance threat detection and response, especially through predictive analysis. So you need to know how to leverage those tools. It's also important to remember that they are widely used for automated attacks, such as deepfakes and AI-generated malware. So you need to not just learn the use of those tools, but understand the secure models and how they can be developed. Understand the adversarial attacks and ensure that your data privacy and ethical practices are in place. Number 2, strategy 2. Understand that blockchain technology is enhancing data security and transparency, but it's also attracting threats that target smart contracts and dApps. So it is imperative to not only understand those threats, but to also ensure that blockchain applications are consistently tested to enhance security and data integrity. Now, number 3, I want you to know that quantum computing is bringing in new encryption methods. So you need to invest your time and money in learning about quantum resistant algorithms. Another thing I want you to understand is the fact that quantum computers can be prone to breaking the current cryptographic algorithms. So you need to learn how to tackle that if it occurs. Now let's look at number 4. The Internet of Things and 5G is increasing data connectivity as well as data flow, but is expanding the attack surface and increasing vulnerability points. So cloud security has gone beyond the ability to address vulnerabilities in an interconnected world right now. There is a need to adapt to the complexities of securing multi-cloud and hybrid environments. This means you need to get an understanding and the ability to understand different cloud service models, such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and implement security measures for each one. You also need to understand the unique vulnerabilities of different IoT devices and ecosystem, which has become important while learning to implement the security protocols and authentication methods as well. Now, number 5, ZTA, Zero Trust Architecture, has become a big deal right now. So familiarity with identity and access solutions is a must to succeed in that terrain. Get a good understanding of microsegmentation and access of least privilege while learning zero trust principles. You need to understand zero trust principles such as zero trust and always verify for you to succeed in zero trust architecture. I also want you to know, number 6, that compliance has gone beyond just security frameworks and standards. So conducting regular audits and assessments are imperative. Ensure that you have good working incident response, disaster recovery, and business continuity plans. Do not just put those amazing strategies in place. Ensure that they are tested, effective, and ready to go. Remember that what I said was working. Ensure that your disaster recovery, your incident response, and business continuity plans, you have not only put those strategies in place, you have tested them, you have ensured that they are effective and they are ready to go. Now let's look at number 7. Data privacy laws and best practices should be your allies this year. They will save you from a lot of pain. Learn different user protection strategies, especially encryption and anonymization, and stay updated on global cybersecurity regulations. You never know what or when they will be required. Now let's look at number 8. A good understanding of SWOT platforms, security orchestration, automation, and response is a great bet if you are in security operations. It's not just about utilizing AI and machine learning anymore. You need to understand that automated threat analysis, you do not only want to be using AI and ML for them anymore. You need to understand why and how it does what it does. Number 9, proactive threat hunting techniques are non-negotiable in this terrain. So do not just learn them, engage them as well. Utilizing threat intelligence platforms for better detection and responses will not only help you greatly, but they will make your job and your life much easier. Number 10, human-based threats are on the rise. So investing in training to mitigate threats based on human errors is not just a thing. It has become a necessity. At this time, you need to learn how to develop cybersecurity awareness curriculums. You need to understand how to enhance it, and you need to learn how to teach them. In order to ensure your success within your organization, it is important for you to understand how to develop cybersecurity awareness curriculums. You need to understand how to enhance it, and you also need to understand how to teach the topics that are therein if you want your job to reach a high level of success in this year. Number 11, focus on your soft skills and not just a must anymore. If you want to succeed in your career, enhancing your communication skills to be able to collaborate effectively with all teams is a must. Your problem solving and critical thinking skills are non-negotiable. Your ability to adapt to those faster than lightning changes in the industry cannot be overemphasized. There is a need to continuously learn. There is a need to continuously improve yourself. There is a need to continuously upskill. There is a need to continuously reskill. Those workshops, those conferences, those boot camps, they are now not non-negotiable anymore. At this time, do not negotiate them, because they have become a must if you want to succeed in this rapidly evolving industry. I'll see you at the top. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.